Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz, and who's taken to the Wordle craze? Yep, I have. Do mine every day on my app on my phone, and I'm just now hitting my stride after several weeks of struggling and needing just 2 or 3 more tries. But now I'm getting it very much more consistently. Well, teachers out there or whoever, I have a site just for you that I just learned about last week at the FETC Future of Education Technology Conference that I want to show you how to make your own Wordle to share with your students or your kids at home. So stay with me. All right, teacher friends, homeschool friends, parents, or just Wordle fans in general, here we are in my browser in Google Chrome. And we're going to type in the URL up here where we normally would. And we're going to type in mywordle.me. So mywordle.me. And this allows you to make a custom Wordle, and it will generate a link for you to share with your students or friends, whoever you would like to share it with. Make it a party game if you'd like to. So I'm going to enter a word in here. I'm just going to simply enter the word hello. And teachers, this is great for vocabulary and spelling practice and getting those letters in the right place. So I've entered my word, generate the link. And then all I have to do is copy that link right there. When you see the green check mark, then you can paste that into an email, a text message, put it up on a learning management system, and you're good to go to share it with the students. And then the students are going to play it just like the regular Wordle game on their phones, on their computers, looking for the green letters and the yellow or orange letters to see where they need to put the word. So again, this is mywordle.me. Put your word in, generate the link, paste it wherever you like in order to share. Enjoy! Well, how cool is that? Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you learned something that you can find useful. Use as a party game with your friends, use with your students, use with your kids, and have fun with those word games in Wordle. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below so you're able to find more of my videos for your tech tutorial needs and be notified when I post a new one. Have a great day, be blessed, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.